and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. Third and final hour of this radio show already. Third and final hour. Wow. Time flies so fast. Ang bilis, no? Ang bilis ang panahon. Tapos 29th of April na. Isang araw na lang, Mayo na. Alright. Some more latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport for you. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alinio, Olongapo City Vice Mayor Jong Cortez, and Host Club Widows Sons Masonic Riders Association of the Philippines President Danilo Cortez led the ribbon-cutting ceremony for the 27th National Convention of the National Federation of Motorcycle Club of the Philippines, held at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center in partnership with the SBMA. The two-day convention is estimated to brought in to around 2,500 motorcycle riders in the country. All right, so it was a successful event actually over the weekend. So congratulations to the members, the officials of the National Convention, 27th National Convention of the National Federation of Motorcycle Club in the Philippines. Wow. Actually, I myself is also a motorcycle lover. I love motorcycles, but the thing is, my pocket is not deep enough to express love for motorcycles. Di ba no, Kuya Jong? Si Vice Mayor Jong, naiintindihan ni Vice Mayor Jong yung sitwasyon ko eh. Pareho kasi kaming mahal ang motorsiklo. Literally mahal ang motorsiklo. Pero may motorsiklo si Kuya Jong, si Vice Mayor, our dear Vice Mayor Jong, na napakabait, na napakasipag, na napaka-pogi pa, kagaya ni DJ Tommy G. Yeah, we all love motorcycles, yeah, but I don't own one, sadly. Well, if my pocket would be deep enough, then I can express love for motorcycles. Okay, and a couple more invites here for you guys coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, invitation to Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Would like you to try their flavors of summer halo-halo. Ayan, puntahan nyo na yung Conti's ground level SM City Olongapo Central. Head on there. Okay, and ongoing still the free tote bag for all of you diners at the SM Food Court, SM Central. For every 499 purchase, entitles you to a free tote bag plus a couple of Coca-Cola products. Okay, and SM Appliance Center Summer Instant Pa Premyo promo is up until tomorrow na lang, April 30. So you guys better hurry. Head on to the SM Appliance Center. Okay? Hanggang bukas na lang. And Cabalen's Free Buffet with your SM Advantage card is ongoing for every 4 paying customers. Yours is gonna be free, the 5th one. Okay? Just bring along 4 paying customers with you. And bring along with you your SMAC Advantage card, SM Advantage card, or SM Prestige. Okay? CBTL is having free upsize until December 31. Visit CBTL at the 2nd level inside the SM store at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? Nasa loob ha? Sa loob po. And make SM your official summer hangout. They got fun events for you. Last day na bukas, no? Ng summer events na ito, like summer deals and treats, Utopia, summer block party, summer market, and the pet fair which happened over the weekend. Okay, all right. So make SM your official summer hangout. And Kabayan Day, don't forget, is happening every first Tuesday of the month. 10% off on SM affiliate stores like Miniso, Watson's, Ace Hardware, and a whole lot more. Brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Malls. Okay, every first Tuesday of the month. Kabayan Day, don't forget. And bring your kids to Ambika. All right? 3rd level of SM Central for an afternoon of fun gaming for the kids. Ambika Fun Box. Open at the SM Central. Okay. And hey, time for me now to do the radio contest, the Sam's Pizza radio contest. As you guys all know, they're gonna be having tomorrow na to, no? Yung payday special ng Sam's Pizza. It's called Sam's Pizza Payday Special. April 30, tomorrow, at all branches. Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. Okay? So, how does the promo goes? For every purchase a 12-inch family-size pizza, you'll get 2 flavors. Dalawang flavor, isa lang, no? Tapos babayaran mo 299 pesos lang. Mura na. Okay? Tapos imi-mix and match mo. Number 1, all-time favorite, either Hawaiian or pepperoni. Number 2, classic flavor, beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom. Yan yung mga pwede nyong mix and match. I need coffee. Nabubuyoy na ako. Yan. Alright. So right now, if you guys already know the drill, call me 0910-6909-501. Yan. Okay? It's as easy as that. Ganun lang kadali. And if you will call me and answer my questions and you will answer them correctly, then I will declare you the winner. The winner. Okay? Call me now, 0910-6909-501. That's the official text digits or call or text digits ni DJ Tommy G. Ayan, okay? That's all you gotta do. We have somebody calling. All right, let's check it out. Ayan, check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello po.
Hi, can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes po.
Naririnig nyo ako, no?
Yes po.
Ako rin, naririnig ko rin kayo. Ayan. Una po muna, can I get your name? Ano pong pangalan nila?
Federico po.
Federico, is it okay to get the apelido rin? Dahil ibibigay ko yung pangalan mo doon sa listahan ng nangunguha na puting ban para maging artista. Wag naman po. Ayaw mo maging artista? Federico.
Opo.
Okay. Ano yung last name? Napuputol-putol eh.
I-message ko na lang po.
Ay, message nyo lang. Oh, sige. Oo nga, that's a great idea. Oo nga naman. So, alam nyo na po yung gagawin natin, ano?
Sige po.
Ayan, sige. Before I declare you the winner, ang mapapanalunan mo, by the way, is a 12 inches pizza na family size na ang flavor sa loob ay 2. Tapos ikaw pa yung bahala mag-mix and match nung dalawang flavor. Ang sarap. Pag waging-wagi.
Wow.
Yan. O sige, are you ready? Ayan.
Opo.
I'll start asking the questions now. Okay, question number 1. Do you remember during the French Revolution when Napoleon Bonaparte conquered Europe?
History.
Hindi yun. Ito talaga po yung tanong. Ayan. Question number 1. Ano yung tawag? Ano po yung title ng Sam's Pizza's upcoming promo?
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale?
Payday Sale! Sam's Pizza Payday Sale is correct. Ayan. Okay, galing. Pero di pa tapos. May pangalawang tanong pa.
Wala ko yun na.
Kailan po gaganapin ang kanilang promo na ito?
Katapusan po.
Katapusan ng?
30.
Kinabahan ako bigla sa katapusan kasi sabi sa news, ano na daw goodbye global warming, hello global boiling. Mariosep, kumukulo na. Pinapakuluan na tayo. Global boiling na. Uy, hindi joke yun. UN mismo nagsabi. Global boiling na talaga. Nakakasyokot, no?
Mga DJ.
April 30. Ayan. It's gonna be at all branches, no? Sa Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castilleos. Ayan. Last question na, pare ko. Yung how does the promo mechanics goes? Paano nga ba ito? Sige nga. Go ahead, you tell me.
Get 2-in-1 flavor 12 inches family pizza. For only 299 pesos.
Uy, sa mga bibili yan sa mga bibili. Pero sa'yo libre, syempre. Wala ka ng 299 pag nanalo ka. Yeah. Tapos, paano yung pag-mix and match ng flavor, pare ko?
And choose one all-time favorite flavor.
Pili ka isa lang doon, no?
Hawaiian or pepperoni.
Okay.
Tapos, mag-ano? Mag-choose na one flavor na uli. Beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom.
Ayun! Tapos aanuhin nyo na.
Mix na. Maikot.
Mahilig si Kuya Federico mag-ano. Okay, you got it right. Congratulations to you. Ayan. Okay. I'm gonna forward your name po doon. Ang claiming nyo sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay. Dala lang kayo ng ID dahil ipo-forward ko na yung pangalan nyo. Ano po? Ayan.
Sige po, sige
bukas
po.
na to ha. Bukas ang
Salamat
claiming.
po.
Kasi yung payday special talaga nila is April 30 lang talaga. So bukas ang claiming. And yung mga sasali, bibili sa promo nila, bukas din po lahat na nakikinig ngayon. April 30 bukas din. Oo. Kasi,
Okay po.
kasi parang ang pangit naman, payday special, tapos gaganapin April 29, no? Tapos April 20. Ano kaya yun? May pumipayday ba ng ganun?
Sige po.
Okay, congratulations to you, sir. May mga gusto kang batiin?
Thank you, DJ.
May mga gusto kang batiin or may gusto ka i-promote?
Wala naman po.
Promote mo na yung yung tindahan mo ng Tocino Longganisa na nilalagay sa gulong.
Thank you, DJ.
All right, sir. Thank you. Congratulations.
Okay po.
All right, there you have it. Our winner of the Sam's Pizza Payday Special Sale. Ayan, Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Special. Okay, congratulations kay Kuya Federico. Ayan, I didn't have his name yung final name. Pero i-message niya na lang daw. Okay. Whew. I guess that's about it for me. Time is up already and I'll be playing my final song now. Maraming salamat for everybody na nakinig ngayon. Those who kept me company. Thank you so much. And also I just wanna add the Mang Tomas Lechon Manok Liempo at iba pa will be having its first anniversary on May 5, 2024. Okay? Buy whole chicken and get free Pepsi and mug. Uy, limited lang to ha. Una-unahan lang. Pag naubos na, wala na. Yung limited mug lalo na. Tsaka yung Pepsi na libre. Okay? So, this is gonna be, kailan nga ba? Yeah. Nawala yung bed ko. This is gonna be May 5, yung kanilang first anniversary celebration, ha? Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba pa at the Alpha Mart parking area in Barangay Santa Rita, yung pagbaba lang ng Santa Rita Bridge. 'Di ba may Alpha Mart doon? Ayun, nandoon yung food truck, nakaabang doon. Yes, all right. It's gonna be waiting for your order. All right. And once again, that's about it for me. Thank you so much. Mga naka-tune in ngayon, salamat po sa inyong lahat. All right? Stay safe, palamig tayo. O yung mga may husky diyan. Hindi lang husky, pati mga fur babies. Ilagay niyo sila. What I suggest is kung medyo maliit sila or malaki man, may malaki namang planggana or batya, ilagay niyo sila sa batya. Tapos in the batya, lagyan nyo ng a couple of blocks of ice na pwede nilang laruin. Promise, lalaruin nila yan. They'll go nuts over it. Plus, napepreskohan pa sila. Dahil malamig yung yelo di ba? Ice baby nga di ba? Okay, so that's one trick to do para sa mga fur babies natin. Huwag natin silang hayaang mainitan, kawawa. Kung tayo, hindi natin ma-bear yung init, sila rin. Promise, okay? So, I myself have a beautiful husky, si Talia. She's listening now. Hello, Talia. Happy listening to you. All right. Talia. Ayan. I can in my mind I can see her reaction. Ayan. Alam mo the mere mention of her name, lalo na pag umuwi ako, she goes nuts. Ayan. Do what I do to beat the summer heat for your fur babies. Lagyan niyo sila sa isang timba. Kung malaking aso yan, malaking timba. Syempre, na timba pala, planggana, batya, ika nga. And then put in a couple of ice. Ngayon. Wala naman limit kung gaano karaming ice gusto mo ilagay. The bigger ice, the better. Dilaan nila yan, laruin nila yan. And they will feel refreshed. They will feel cool. Diba? One way of beating the summer heat for your fur babies. Hindi naman magastos yan. Mura lang naman ng yelo. Diba? You have some in the fridge probably. Malamang yung yelo nyo sa rep nyo, yung iba, parang nagpuputik na, no? Kunyari may dalawa kayong lalagyan ng yelo, yung isa nasa likod, yung isa nasa harap. Ang lagi lang nagagamit yung nasa harap. Di ba? Gagamitin, lalagyan ng tubig, lalagay uli sa harap. Mag-yelo, next na kukuha, yun na naman. Yung nasa likod, nagpuputik na. Make use of it, di ba? Gawan nyo ng be creative, di ba? Ano lang yan utak lang. Paganay. Alright, thank you guys for keeping me company. Maraming salamat po. I had a blast. 12:39 on the dot. And here's something now from Kuya Paul Sapiera. All right. Paul Sapiera, our friend. This is his song, Bakit Sinta, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. Happy Monday.